Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear student and viewers. As you know that we have already completed module 3 data collection method. Now we have ready to go on to be started a research process module 4 data collection method. The research process for the basic and applied research consists of 11 steps, but we have still on step 3. Before that we discussed data collection methods, and now we have gone to be discussed on data analysis and interpretation. Data analysis process. The data analysis process is a very important segment and the element and a step in the research process. As you know that when the researcher completed the data collection process, then they have identified, the researcher have identified and collection of the data and cleaning of the data, coding, decoding of the data. They have ready to for the data analysis. Before going to the data analysis, the researcher and any student of the PhD and MSc must be follow the data analysis process. First, we talk about data analysis. What is the data analysis and which topics we have going to be discussed in this module, and lastly we discuss a little bit about the data analysis process, your data analysis framework. Module 4 topic to be discussed, and we have topics relevant to data analysis, and some topics are prerequisite topic for building the understanding about the data analysis. You have seen the topics and the basic objectives in data analysis, field for data, goodness of data, hypothesis testing. Before going to detail in data analysis process and data analysis framework, we going to be discuss the basic concept and basics of data analysis. The students in this module, student intend to focus on data analysis basics and little bit know about the types and criteria and categorization, coding and decoding of the data. Then we will discuss the field for data and field for data framework, also be the goodness of data and goodness of data, complete framework and process, and lastly we discuss the hypothesis testing. And the second part of this module is basically is the interpretation of data. The first one is consist on data analysis. When the researcher and the research student have completed the data analysis process, the need to be interpretation of their data when they have received the result. Data analysis and interpretations, use of several data analytics techniques, but here we discuss only 1 and 2 techniques at the end of the module. Descriptive statistic, most important. Inferential statistic, we have also, you have seen that is also be the part of data analysis and interpretation. Every data analysis techniques have a different interpretation techniques and different method of interpretation on the basis of the statistical tool, on the basis of statistical result. The statistical tools and statistical analytics provide the baseline for the researcher for interpretation of the result which they have, and the researcher received from some statistical packages softwares. Some software packages useful of data analysis, use of expert system in selecting appropriate statistic tool. Nowadays in the market there have many statistical packages tools are available. That's it depends on the researcher's needs and the researcher's result and the purpose of the research. There you want to be explore, and between the nature of descriptive, nature of qualitative, they mostly they go for in vivo. When they have for model testing, for relationship and correlation, mostly they have SPSS and other statistical tool you can be used for getting the result during the data analysis. All about that for the data analysis. But now we have little bit overview of the data analysis process. As you know that identify the data, which data is good, which data is available for ready for data analysis process. Collect, clean the data, analyze and interpret. But our concern is analyze and interpret. And three identifications, collection, cleaning is basically is the part of data collection method. And those one we have already discussed in module 3. In module 4, basically we're going to discuss analysis part of the data analysis and interpretation of the data part of the data and analytics of a process. That is overview of a flow diagram of a data analysis process. How we going to be discuss, how we going to be take a data analysis module according to this framework and due to this process. As you know that after data collection, when the data is ready for analysis, you must be follow the data analysis process. And data analysis process basically consists of three: feel for data, goodness of data, and hypothesis testing. As you know that, and we have already practices each steps we have discussed in the detail in this module. Inshallah, you will be understand and you are able to well data analytics data getting the data analysis result through data analysis, and also you are able to interpretation of your data that you have received result from different statistical packages. That's all about the little bit orientation introduction of the module 4. Inshallah, in the next video and next lecture we have step 1 regarding to the data analysis process. Stay blessed. Have a good day.